So this is the alleyway that I am going to be painting a mural in. And it is a really cool alleyway that they just developed here. And it's called Luminous Lane. I just got this art gig like 1 day ago, but I'm extremely excited because there's so many artists working in this entire lane with all these murals. Let's check it out. Just got to Cheap Joe's to order some spray cans, and I am looking at all of my options to see what I need. Just trying to figure out colors and stuff. So this is my design that I'm doing, and I'm trying to figure out what colors I need and trying to match them best, but I'm having a difficult time trying to do this. I think we're good. I think we are. So I just met another artist at Luminous Lane. His name is Eric. Yeah, and let's show us what you're working on. Oh wow,
Real estate to fill.
wow, guys, look at this. Look at how cool this looks.
It's a little glary, but
Dang, man. That's G Status. Yo, tell them where they can follow you.
Sungai, sungai.lrc on Instagram.
Dude, this is incredible work, man. Very happy for you. I want to get to this level at some time. Yeah, man. Take care. Yo. It's 8 o'clock at night, and I am going to project my design onto this ugly abstractness right there. It's not ugly, but you know, once there's a design, then it's gonna look all nice. So this was my first official street mural. Officially have work out on the public, and this was actually one of my goals of 2023 is to create my first public mural, and here it is. Very happy and proud of this project, and I was very grateful to be a part of it just because I was able to work alongside artists that I've always wanted to work alongside. I work out of my studio at home, and it can get pretty lonely, and to be a part of the energy of the other creators that I look up to and the muralists and getting advice from them was something that you really can't get when you work by yourself. And to be a part of a project that is bettering the Charlotte community and the Uptown area is very cool. You know, working alone does have its benefits, but I've always wanted to be a part of a community that helps you grow. And I think that when you work with other creators and other artists that are doing the same thing that you're doing, but in their different ways and different touch, you learn a lot from other people. And that's what, you know, I'm aiming for, is to continue learning, continue growing, continue expanding my skills. And with this mural, I believe I did that. I think I accomplished that goal, and I'm very proud of what I've done with this, and to have my art displayed in this project and to be a part of this project is, I'm very grateful for it. So to the people who organized it, I'm very thankful. And you know, if you're ever in Charlotte, please stop by Luminous Lane. It's between Tryon Street and College Street. between 3rd and 4th. So yeah, we'll have to see you take pictures with my mural and let me know what you think.